It's a deep facial cleansing and firming massage, upgraded T-sonic pulsations at 16 different intensities. Here is the cleansing part, and I think this is where the massage is. Hi guys! For a change, it's me, Alpha, who's doing the unboxing video for today, and today I'm going to unbox this FOREO Luna 3. I recently changed my skincare routine, and as I was watching videos after videos, I chanced upon FOREO Luna. I was dreaming of buying one, so whenever I go to the mall, I check out Sephora and look at FOREO Luna 2. And it's a great tactic, you see, because my husband got it for me as a Mother's Day gift. And I even got an upgrade because instead of the FOREO Luna 2, he got me this FOREO Luna 3. Seriously, the thing is, I don't really like spending so much on my skincare. I am a believer that basic is enough and that less is more. But as I aged, I realized I needed to bump up my facial skincare routine. Hence, I changed what I've been using from the serum, all kinds of essences, to my moisturizer, and thought that maybe this Luna 3 may be a great addition to my routine. So enough of that. Let me tell you first, before I open it, let me tell you a bit more about FOREO Luna 3. There are several kinds of cleansing brushes out there with different kinds of promises, but I saw a lot of good reviews on FOREO Luna. And before, I actually used an ordinary cleansing brush, and then I thought maybe it's not helping me enough. So I'm giving FOREO Luna a try. There are different versions of this FOREO Luna, and if I'm not mistaken, Luna 3 is the latest version. And as I said, what I'm unboxing now is FOREO Luna 3, but you'll see it's a combination skin. See? Because I think there's one for oily skin, for dry skin, sensitive skin, and since it was my husband who got it for me and I didn't know he was actually getting it for me, he got me this combination skin. At first he thought it's just because I like this color, and then when I told him different colors represent different skincare or skin type, then he said okay, he didn't realize. But I think it's a good choice because I also happen to have maybe a normal skin, but then a combination skin is also a good one, because sometimes even though I have a normal skin, I also tend to have dry skin, or sometimes when you're exposed to harmful elements, etc., or when it's too humid, your skin tends to dry up. So I think it's a good choice that he got me this combination skin. So let me now open it up. See, it's a very good casing, protected it so much. So this FOREO Luna is a deep facial cleansing and firming massage that is a gentle skincare device featuring this soft silicone touch points and T-sonic TM technology that provides deep cleansing and diminish visible signs of aging, which I'm really after. That is the foremost reason why I wanted this one. And this Luna 3 is the ultimate addition to anyone's cleansing ritual. Apparently it features upgraded T-sonic pulsations at 16 different intensities. Wow, that's really something. And you can see how soft these silicone brushes are. And apparently it blasts away dirt, oil, and makeup residue in only 1 minute. Wow, and when you're rushing, a minute is very important, and especially at night when you're too tired, you just need a minute to wash your face. And if it helps you do that, then that's good. It has an improved design which comes with these longer and softer silicone brushes. Well, before I didn't have the Luna 2. I've seen in the video how different it looks like the one that was before had shorter silicone brushes here. And when you look at their website, they will tell you that this brush will help with the absorption of your skincare products. So whatever you use, it'll help you with the absorption of those products. It doesn't matter what kinds of products you use, and it reduces the appearance of wrinkles and sagging, and it deeply yet gently cleanses, preserving skin elasticity. And it is 35 times more hygienic than nylon bristles. So I think that's what I used to use. I used the nylon bristle, I think, and I've been using it for more than a year, I think, or maybe 2 years, and I've been satisfied with it, but I didn't realize that I needed more, and I think that is why I wanted to try this one. And there's no replacement brush needed, because I think it really lasts for a long time. It also comes with an upgraded design with 30% bigger head. The other one that I saw before at Sephora is also smaller than this. And the purpose of that is for a more effective cleanse. It also has 30 longer touch points. As I said, it's longer than the previous Luna version to help you with hard to reach places. And it's also 25% softer to help you glide it across your skin. What screen? Anyway, there are a lot of other features that you can see in the website. And see, what does it come with? Where is the... I think it should come with... Let me open the box first. Sorry, I think I'm ruining it. It should come with the manual and all that stuff. Well, here it goes. So it comes with the travel pouch, and it's cute color. I'm pretty sure it fits this one. And this is the USB charger. It also comes with a free serum here. Let me see. It's supposed to be micro capsule youth preserve. Apply to clean. Okay, the letters are too small, but then maybe I'll try it. No harm trying. My skin is not very sensitive whenever I try new products, and just for me to see if it's good, this one, even though it's small, but maybe I give it a try as well. And then it also comes with this basic manual, which I would need to take a look at. Again, it comes in fine print, but then it's very important that you read. Even if you don't read it here, you need to read through the website so that you know how to use it, etc. That's it. I think this one is a 2 ml serum sample, which is cool. And there tells you, first things first, you unlock your device, and then it reminds you to download the FOREO app to unlock your device for the first time, and then select your cleansing preferences. This is the okay. So, as I said, this is combination and oily skin type, and this one promises to send 8,000 T-sonic pulsations per minute into your pores to clean your face better than pretty much any other facial brush out there. Well, T stands for transdermal, which means through the skin. And in the box, as I showed you a while ago, these are all the features. See, the ones I mentioned a while ago. The silicone brush, it prevents bacteria buildup with quick drying and non-porous design. And yeah, this one. One interesting interesting thing about FOREO Luna 3 is that you can download the app, which I will show you now. You can download it from the App Store. This is how it looks like. I've already set up my account. I think it's also available in Android. You can use it with Android as well. And the purpose of the app is because it promises you personalized skincare. So syncing Luna 3 to your app using your Bluetooth gives you the ability to customize the intensity of the cleanse by choosing your preferred power level. And not only that, it also gives you the ability to get your own home facial massage treatments. And as there are interactions between the app and the cleanser, you can enjoy a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the best firming massages for your eyes, mouth, neck, and jawline. Because that's one more thing that I learned recently, that you're not just supposed to, well, not recently, I mean years back, but all the more now that I realize how important it is to just not focus on your face, but to cleanse carefully your neck, your eyes, and your jawline. So as I said, I just downloaded the app, and this is how it looks like. So this one is the Luna 3. You can keep exploring it, but I need to finish setting it up, syncing it together. I haven't done that, and I'd also need to read through the manual, and I don't think I can do that. Where is the manual? Okay, I thought I've lost it, but I'm better off with reading through the websites, etc. This one is just too small for anyone to read. So I'll read all through that, and I don't know whether I can show you how it all works. Maybe I can do that, maybe I can't. I'll let you know. But yeah, I'm gonna try it first. So since I already downloaded the app, let me try connecting this Luna 3 to the app. Let me turn it on. You can see it's blinking, the light is blinking. So in the app, you will be asked to add a device. And since this is the Luna series, and we'll this one, so we're supposed to scan it through the screen without the proof of purchase, because I don't think, since it was given to me as a gift, I don't have it. Oh, there we go. See, my devices. So you can keep adding devices, but for this, it's already there. And then you can start. And then you can see several information here. Device info, how to use, device care. Oh, there's even find my device, like find my iPhone. And then this is what I mentioned to you about a while ago. There are treatments that will be recommended to you, and then you can, once you want to start using, you can start cleansing and then start massage. So here is the cleansing part, and I think this is where the massage is, if I'm not mistaken. So as I mentioned, once I've started using it, I'll try if I can show it to you guys. So there you go, it's now connected, and I can start using it. And then let's see. Oh, so this is how it looks like. I think it will tell you where to use the brush, so it will show the forehead and the nose part, etc. And then it's a minute. I think it's around a minute if you use start. If you press start, there's even start mirror, but yeah, there you go. So that's it for today's video, and that's it for unboxing this Luna 3. I think I need to turn it off first. Oh, I don't know whether because the app is still open, that's why it's still open. Anyway, you can see this is the pouch where you can put everything in, but this is the charger and all the other things. You can put them together if you want, or if you have a dresser in your toilet or your bathroom, then you can put them together. But when you're traveling, it's very easy. You can put it here. Here in Singapore, the price of Luna 3 at Sephora is 299 Singapore dollars. I think in other online stores, they're selling it in different prices. And as I said, I don't like spending so much on these products, but I'm hoping it's worth it, and especially I didn't spend anything because it's a gift. But then yes, I hope it's still worth it. I still need to try it first for me to know the difference versus an ordinary facial brush. And I hope that, as it claims to be, I hope that it will help me to get the youthful glow that I want and keep my skin clean and dirt free. So that's it for now. That's how it looks like. So this is where the charger is. That's it for now. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.